the shop where I just got my new Nerf bars from a 2020 RZR Turbo. Now for my Nerf bars, I went to DragonFire Racing. I picked up a set of their Nerf bars. And today we're going to be installing them on my RZR. Now the first thing you want to do, remove these 3 Torx bolts in the side plastic of the RZR. And you want to keep those because you are going to be reusing those. Now with these 3 Torx bolts removed, we can go ahead and set our DragonFire Racing Nerf bars up against the body of the RZR and reinstall those 3 Torx bolts. With that part done, the Nerf bars are already pretty sturdy, but we're not done yet. You can see this kit comes with a lot more hardware here. Next, you're going to take 2 of your larger bolts with 2 of your larger washers that comes in the kit. Drop one in the front hole. Then drop one in this other hole here. Then take your bracket, line it up with those 2 bolt holes, or with those 2 bolts I should say. Put a washer and a lock nut on each. Before going any further, I'm going to go ahead and install this self-tapping screw. With that installed, I'm going to go ahead and snug these up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take 2 more bolts, 4 more washers, and clamp these 2 brackets together. Now all we gotta do is finish tightening up these Torx bolts. Now with everything tight, she's good and strong, and I'm ready to put the other side on. When I get it on, we're ready to hit the trails. But anyway, that's all there is to installing the DragonFire Nerf bars on my 2020 Turbo RZR, and hopefully we'll see you on the trails.